Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. My name is Harsha Srivardhan, studying AIDS in our Vishnu Institution of Technology. Now, here I am telling about how to create a to-do list by using the Java list. This is a Java script project to create a to-do list using a function and some important concepts in JavaScript, particularly closes. Let's break it down. The functions creating a to-do list. The create to-do list is a function that defines an array task to store all the tasks in the to-do list. Inside the function we return objects. There are three methods: add task, remove task, and view task. In the add task, to add the list of the add the task to the list. Remove task to remove the specific task from the list. View task to view all the task in the to-do list. The task array is defined inside creating a to-do list, but it access to all the methods because of a concept called closures. What are closures? Closures is what when a function remainder that variable from its lexical scope even after the outer function has finished execution. In this code, the task array is the scope of the create tools list. Even when the create tools list function is done running, its inner method add task, remove task, and view task still has access to the task because they close over the variable they depends on. This is why the task array precedes and can be updated whenever you call any of these methods. There are three types of tasks: add task, remove task, and view task. In the add task, takes a task as input, add the task to the task, and push dot push task dot push and logs a confirm message. Now coming to the remove task, such as the task from the task array using the index of task. If the task exists, remove it with splice. Now logs a success message or an error if it is task it's not found. Now coming to the view task. In the view task, print all the task in the task array and task array. If an array is empty, it inform all the users. Now coming to use to-do list. Create a to-do list. To create a new to-do list by calling create to-do list. My to-do list objects now has access to the added task, remove task, and view task methods. Added task. In the added task, we added tasks are added to the list and the messages is logged for each edition. Now here learn JavaScript, learn JavaScript, learn closer, learn callback coding projects. Now coming to the view task, display all the tasks currently in the list. Now remove task, practicing code, display the removes the task practicing code from the list if it exits. Now coming to the view update task, display the updated list. Now we will check the output of these tasks. Here coming cd dot capital desktop. Next, it is naming it's save as 501. Save. Now we checking cd dot 501 node.js. Now we can check here that added task. Added tasks are lens, JavaScript, len closer, len callback coding, and building a projects. To do list, len JavaScript, closers, callback, practice coding, and build a projects. Now coming to the practice coding, len practicing removed, len JavaScript, closer, callback, project, callback. Now, coming to the last conclusion, the code is demonstrate how Closure allow you to manage private data securely and uh, efficiently. It also sets the foundation of integration, more advanced asynchronous program concepts like callback, pros, and something. In callback are function passed as a argument to other function. For example, you could extend added task promises. You might use promises for assigning operations like saving task to a server, saving task like a server, and await task. If added task return a promise, you could use await to handle it. And thank you.